You've got debt, multiple balances, you want out. But the question is, should you use the debt snowball method or the debt avalanche method? In this video, I'll break down exactly how both strategies work, the pros and cons of each, and how to choose the one that fits your financial goals and mindset. But here's the most important truth. The best method is the one you actually start. Let's get into it. Section 1. What is the debt snowball method? The debt snowball is all about momentum. Here's how it works. 1. List all your debts from smallest to largest balance. Ignore interest rates for now. 2. Make minimum payments on all debts. 3. Throw every extra dollar at the smallest debt first. 4. Once that's paid off, roll that full payment into the next smallest debt, like a snowball gaining speed. Example: $500 credit card, $1,200 medical bill, $4,000 car loan, $10,000 student loan. You attack the $500 first, then the $1,200, and so on. The pros: fast wins early equals major motivation, great for those who feel overwhelmed, keeps you engaged and emotionally committed. The cons may cost more in interest over time, doesn't prioritize math, prioritizes mindset. Section 2. What is the debt avalanche method? The debt avalanche is all about math and efficiency. Here's how it works. 1. List all debts from highest interest rate to lowest, regardless of balance. 2. Make minimum payments on all debts. 3. Throw every extra dollar at the highest interest debt first. Example: 1,000 store card at 25%, 5,000 personal loan at 14%, 10,000 student loan at 6%. You hit the 25% interest card first, even if it's not your smallest debt. The pros: saves the most money in interest. Typically fastest path to being debt-free. Best if you're disciplined and data-driven. The cons: progress may feel slow early on. Less motivating if the highest interest debt is also the largest. Section 3. How to choose your debt payoff strategy. So, snowball versus avalanche. Here's how to decide. Choose snowball if you need motivation and quick wins. You feel overwhelmed by your debt. You're new to budgeting and want simplicity. You're more emotion and momentum driven. Choose avalanche if you're focused on saving money. You have high interest debt. You're consistent, disciplined, and okay with delayed gratification. You like seeing math work in your favor, but here's the real talk. It doesn't matter which method you choose. What matters is that you start. Section 4. Bonus: the hybrid strategy. Can't decide? You can blend the two. Try this. Start with a small high-interest debt for early momentum and smart math. Tackle a few low-balance wins first, snowball style, then switch to avalanche. The point is, customize your plan to work with your personality, not against it. Section 5. Getting started today. Here's how to get started today. Step 1. List all your debts, balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Step 2. Pick your plan, snowball or avalanche. Step 3. Find your extra money, cut expenses, side hustle, etc. Step 4. Make your first focused payment this week. Use a spreadsheet, a notebook, or an app like Undebt.it, which lets you plug in your plan and tracks your progress visually. Comment below, are you Team Snowball or Team Avalanche, or maybe both? If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial comeback strategies, and share this with someone who's ready to stop the debt cycle for good. You made money mistakes? Cool, so have we all. Now it's time to make a plan and crush it.